Introduction to Python. Features of Python. Python is a very simple programming language. It is a high-level language that is easy for humans to understand. It is an interpreter language. Compiling is implicit. That is, it translates code line by line. It supports dynamic memory allocation. Need not define the type of variables while declaring it. It has a huge inbuilt library. It is open source, which can be used in different operating systems. It is a powerful object-oriented programming language. It is abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. Abstraction, hiding complex functionality. Encapsulation, binding methods and functions to a single unit called class. And polymorphism, same name functions with different functionality. Inheritance, inherent properties from another class. Next is programming language. Humans use it to communicate with the computer. There are three types: machine level language, low level language, and high level language. Machine level language are zeros and ones. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. That is 2 to the power of 0 to 2 to the power of 7. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. So for example, A is equal to 65. The ASCII code or binary value is 01000001. How do we get it? Is 65 is equal to 64 minus 1. So 64 and 1, we should add the values 1 and 1. The remaining are zeros. And when you reverse the value of it, you get 01000001. Next is low level language or assembly level language. The assembler converts source code to byte code, since the byte code is understandable by the machines. Low level language, only compilation happens, that is converting the source code to byte code. Byte code cannot be converted back to source code in machine level languages. Set of instructions which convert human language to machine understanding language or binary code is nothing but assembler or assembly level language. Next is high level language. High level language, both compiling and interpretation happens. The interpreter converts binary code to the source code. First, the source code is converted to binary code, then the binary code is converted to source code. Compiler translates entire source code to machine code before execution. Interpreter translates code line by line during execution. Compiler gives error all at a time. Interpreter gives error line by line. Python interpreter is written in C programming language.